Hey YouTube, it's Lewis with Rosebud's Travels, and today I want to talk about sewer equipment for your casita. When you buy your casita new from the casita factory these days, they give you a sewer hose that comes with your casita. It is a sewer hose like this. It is a 15-foot sewer hose, and it's an okay sewer hose. It's not great, but it's okay. And you can use this sewer hose. Now, what they give you is they give you this to hook into the sewer end, and they give you this Camco slip clamp to tighten this hose on this connection. These are really hard to use, and I made a video showing how to use this, and they're kind of difficult. I recommend you go to a camping store. You might even be able to get them at an auto parts store, but they're a bigger clamp that you can actually, kind of like an auto hose clamp, and you hook this on here and it locks it on there, and then that's better. And it does have the connection on the other end that'll hook up to your casita. And like I said, it's 15 foot long, and it does work, and you can use it. After a while, we decided, instead of having 115, we wanted to have like a 10 foot, because most of the time a 10-foot hose will work, and then occasionally you need even more than 15 feet to get there. So what we did is we bought a Camco product that has two 10-foot sewer hoses in the kit, and it just so happens that that kit has sewer hoses that fit inside of the bumper. So you can store, we keep them locked together, and inside the bumper, two 10-foot Camco sewer hoses, and we use it like this all the time. We rinse these out after each use. When we use them, we rinse it out, then we put it back inside the bumper, and we just store them there. So we have 20 feet of sewer hose that is riding in the bumper all the time. And like I said, it fits inside the bumper just right. So that works out really good. This kit comes with these caps that you can lock on the ends of things, and you can seal the hoses up and whatever. They will not work inside the bumper. So we don't put the caps on the hose because we prefer to just keep it stored in the bumper. So these caps we basically just we still have them, but we don't use them on the sewer hose itself. And this kit comes with the two 10-foot sewer hoses, the connection that goes into the sewer, the ground sewer connection, and then it's got caps that, like I said, caps that will seal off everything if you wanted to. And then Casita also provides a deal that will go into the regular sewer connection also. So our main hose stores in the bumper, and we just, like I said, two 10-foot. So we have 20 foot of hose that's available to us all the time. And we haven't had a situation where this wasn't enough to connect to anything we wanted to connect to yet. from what I understand, sometimes that happens where you might have a sewer connection that's farther, but we haven't had that occur yet. So what we do is that goes in the bumper. Then we have box, one of these regular standard black boxes with the yellow lid thing, and or whatever color lid. And inside this box, we carry one of the sewer hose sidewinder, they're called. And what they do is they ensure a slope of the sewer hose from your casita to the drain, and it holds the sewer hose up. So we got one of the sidewinder deals, and then we bought one of the Rhino Blaster deals, which I have another video in my series where we talk about how to use this to wash out your black tanks and gray tanks. And we keep that in this box. We keep a hose that's exclusively for black tank washing, and that also goes in this box. We also keep a box of gloves in this box. We also keep hand sanitizer in this box. Protective eyewear and a rubber donut in case at the sewer connection, if the it doesn't have one of the threaded connectors and you need more of a seal, these are the rubber sewer connections, and that end goes in here and seals into the sewer pipe. So all the other sewer equipment that we use is stored in this box and we carried in the tow vehicle, and it's all kept in this box at all times. And we rinse off everything, keep everything clean, and then we take off our gloves and sanitize our hands and keep our hands sanitized. And we use eye protection and gloves all the time when we're using the sewer connection. So that's what we do for sewer parts, and we have found that having the two 10-foot sections is great, and also this Rhino Blaster thing works really, really well. And for rinsing out black and gray tanks, and we do that regularly. We rinse out our tanks almost every time we go camping. And we do have the ability we have a full hookup at our home, so we can actually even do it at our home. And sometimes we've been known to do that. So it allows us to keep the tanks clean. And that's it. I will post links to where we got this stuff. I think most of this stuff I believe we got at Amazon, and I will post the Amazon links in the description for all the sewer devices we use. We no longer use the hose that was provided by Casita, except we use it at home to extend our sewer line a little bit further so we can reach our clean out. But other than that, so that hose stays most of the time at home, unless we're going to a place where we know we need more than the 20 foot of hose. But we really like having, and like I said, most of the time we use 10 foot of hose, and that's it. That's all we use is 10 foot of hose, and it works for most campgrounds, most clean outs, and 10 foot. And this is an expandable hose that it's shorter, and then it expands to 10 foot long, and it's worked out really well. We found it really helpful, and we really like it. So that's it. I'll post the links. Please subscribe to our channel. If you like the video, please like it and please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.